These are the yellow film markers. These are great for marking film prior to install, especially for unusual shaped windows such as trapezoids or angled rear port windows. They're also great for circling contaminants before pulling back the film as a guide for rectifying the issue. They're also really good if you need to mark the film to check for movement on the side, roll-up and electric windows when trimming, to ensure that the film is not moved before final application. The pencil mark easily wipes away with a cloth, and they're available in either a refillable marker or a pencil marker. That's the yellow film marker.